Hey class, it's Instructor Paige again. This is week 6. Now we are moving right along. We only have 2 weeks left in the course. Now this week, thankfully, is a little bit lighter of a workload because last week with week 5 and our resumes was a pretty heavy workload. Because it's week 6, I wanted to give you a few tips on your assignments and your discussions and things like that. Now remember, before you start anything, this week's assignment is on MindTap, so I really recommend reading your chapters before you work on the assignment. Now the assignment will be like a video on MindTap, so if you have trouble finding MindTap, how to use it like we did in week 1, just let me know and I'd be happy to help you. So you'll watch a video on MindTap about reports, and then you'll answer a few questions about the video. It's only about, I think, 5 questions, but if you see any trouble or if you have trouble with the questions, just let me know. Another tip I have this week is work a little bit at a time. I know with everything going on, it can get kind of crazy and maybe you're exhausted from last week. So I really recommend is reading the chapters, maybe doing the practice quizzes on MindTap and kind of using all the resources in there that you can. Another one is to start looking ahead because it can be we have 2 weeks left, so making sure you stay caught up or looking ahead at what we're doing next week to make sure you're prepared, that kind of thing. Since it is a lighter work week, it is really helpful to keep your eyes on the end goal of finishing this course. Now for this week, you'll need to read chapters 9 and 10. I know last week we did like 13 and it jumps around a little bit. But this week you'll read chapters 9 and 10, and it's kind of smushed together, but also read the lectures that you see in our course and watch the videos. That's all to really help you with the discussion, hello, I said that silly, and the assignment and the video questions, and it kind of gets you prepared. Another one this week is our discussion will be showing an example of a report. This is kind of tricky. It can be a little confusing. So to kind of help show you what a report is, what I'm really looking for in the discussions, I'll be sharing an example post in our course. So be sure to look out for my discussion post to really help give you an idea of what I'm looking for. And then again, if you have any questions about this week or submitting late work or anything else in the course, just feel free to reach out to me and I really am happy to help you all. I hope you all have a wonderful week 6.